If you've been hearing about automation in 2026, then you've probably come across N8N, and if you think automation tools are expensive or complicated, this is going to surprise you. Because today I'm going to show you how to use N8N for free, and honestly, it's way easier than most people think. First, what is N8N? N8N is an automation tool. Think of it like Zapier or Make, but more powerful and way more flexible. It lets you connect apps together, automate tasks, move data between platforms, send emails, post content, update spreadsheets, trigger AI workflows. Basically, if it happens online, you can probably automate it. Now here's the important part. N8N is open source. That means you can actually self-host it for free. So how do you use N8N for free? You have two main options. Option number one is using the free trial on N8N Cloud. This is the easiest way to start. You just go to the official N8N website, create an account, and you'll get access to their hosted version. No coding, no server setup. You can start building workflows immediately. This is perfect if you just want to test automation ideas fast. But if you want completely free long-term usage. Option number two is self-hosting. Self-hosting sounds scary. But it's actually simple in 2026. You can install N8N on your own computer using Docker. Or you can deploy it to a cheap VPS like DigitalOcean, Hetzner, or even use platforms like Railway or Render that make deployment almost automatic. If you install it locally with Docker, the basic steps are simple. Install Docker, run the N8N container, and access it through your browser at localhost. Once it's running, you have the full version with unlimited workflows. Now let's talk about how to actually use it once it's installed. When you open N8N, you'll see a workflow canvas. This is where you build automations. Everything works with nodes. A node can be a trigger, like when I receive an email, or an action like send data to Google Sheets. You start with a trigger node. For example, a webhook trigger. Then you connect it to another node like OpenAI, Gmail, Notion, or Shopify. You literally drag and connect them visually. Each node has settings where you add your API keys. This is how N8N connects to your apps. Once configured, you hit Execute Workflow to test it. If everything works, you activate it. And that's it. Your automation runs in the background. Here's a simple example. New form submission gives send data to Google. Sheets gives send confirmation, email gives notify you on Telegram. All automated. No manual work. The powerful thing about N8N is that it allows logic. You can add if conditions, loops, data transformations, and even custom JavaScript. So it's beginner friendly, but also extremely powerful for advanced users. Now, is it really free? If you self-host it, yes. You only pay for your server if you choose to deploy it online. If you run it locally, it costs nothing. That's why many developers and businesses are switching from expensive automation tools to N8N. So who should use N8N? Content creators automating uploads. E-commerce owners managing orders. Agencies handling client workflows. Anyone building AI agents. If you want full control and no monthly automation bill, N8N is one of the smartest tools you can learn in 2026. And the best part? Once you build one workflow, you'll start seeing automation opportunities everywhere. If this helped you, let me know what you want to automate first. Because trust me, once you start using N8N, you won't want to go back to doing things manually ever again.